Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook delicious jollof rice. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 4 large tomatoes, 2 red bell peppers, and 1 large onion for the rich sauce base. For the rice, use 2 cups of good quality long-grain parboiled rice. Also, have on hand about 6 ounces of tomato paste, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and 3 cups of chicken or vegetable stock. Finally, prepare your favorite seasonings like curry powder, dried thyme, and a couple of bay leaves to enhance the flavor. Now, let's create the heart of our jollof rice, the sauce. Begin by blending your fresh tomatoes, red bell peppers, and half of your onion until you achieve a smooth puree. Next, heat about 1/2 cup of vegetable oil in a large pot and sauté the remaining half onion until it becomes translucent and fragrant. Stir in the 6 ounces of tomato paste and cook it for about 5 minutes, ensuring it doesn't burn. Finally, pour in your blended mixture and let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to deepen beautifully. With our rich sauce ready, it's time to introduce the rice. Carefully add your 2 cups of long-grain parboiled rice directly into the simmering sauce. Then, pour in 3 cups of your chosen chicken or vegetable stock. Give it a gentle stir to ensure the rice is fully submerged in the flavorful liquid. Now, cover the pot very tightly with a lid, perhaps even using foil for a tighter seal, and reduce the heat to low. Let it cook undisturbed for 20 to 25 minutes, allowing the rice to absorb all the wonderful flavors. Almost there. After 20 to 25 minutes, check your jollof rice. The grains should be tender, and most of the liquid should be absorbed. If it's still a bit firm, you can add a 1/4 cup more stock and cook for another 5 minutes. Once perfectly cooked, gently fluff the rice with a fork to separate the grains. You can garnish it with some fresh chopped parsley or serve it alongside fried plantains for an authentic touch. Enjoy your homemade, flavorful jollof rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.